Hey besties, and welcome back to another video. So today we will be reviewing Betterlength hair. They sent me this beautiful half wig that comes with a drawstring and 3 attachable combs. This half wig is 14 inches and the texture is type 3, 3A, 3B. And if you've never heard of Betterlength hair, they are a leading hair company that has dedicated over a decade to creating textured hair extensions to tailor us black girls. They really understand that every woman is unique, just like our hair types. And once I actually wore this hair, I knew that they were the real deal, okay? So I started off just by braiding the front of my hair in 2 twists. And then as I put on the wig, I noticed how snug it was before I even pulled the drawstring, which is such a plus. I love a wig that fits nice and snug on my head because you just never know. We have so many things to worry about, and my wig moving is the last thing I want to happen. This video will be extremely detailed, so get your popcorn, girl, because we gonna be a little second. Half wigs have become so popular recently, and I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to partner with Betterlength to bring you guys this video today because I know a lot of you have been asking for it. They really are super simple to install, but I think the blending process is what most people get confused about. So after making sure that my wig is nice and snug and is not going to move, I go ahead and I wet the entire unit just so I can saturate the curls and give me a better idea of what I'm working with. And y'all, these were so beautiful. The curls were super pillow soft. It literally just felt like melted butter in my hands. That's how soft this hair is, y'all. After saturating my hair, I always go in and I trim the hair just to frame my face a little better. I cut the ends to give it more of a blunt cut, and then I cut my bangs just to fit the front frame of my face. And this is a personal preference. If you're not comfortable with cutting your wigs, please don't. You can always create an illusion with your wigs by stretching and fluffing and just playing with your hair until you get it how you want to without cutting. Next, I'm just going in with my Wetline Extreme Gel, and I love using this gel because it really clumps my curls together and it gives my hair this shine that no other product gives me. And raking that gel in is super important because you just want to make sure that you distribute that product evenly into your hair. And it's really just rinse and repeat. So I rake and then I scrunch, I rake and then I scrunch until I get that curl that I want. And as I said before, this gel does clump my curls together. So after I put the product in, I like to just shake the curls out and make sure every curl has their own little ringlet going on and they all separate. And I love diffusing on my curly wigs because it just gives them this definition than when I just use a blow dryer, which will stretch it out a little too much. Next is time to blend our natural hair with the half wig. And I know you guys have been waiting for this part. So I do this on stretched hair, and I take my lock and twist gel and I just work that into the front of my strands. So I apply it to my edges first and then I comb the rest in just to make sure that product is on every strand, just to evenly work that product in. And then I just smooth it with my fingers, smooth, smooth, smooth until it's literally stiff. And then that's where the magic happens. And then I just scrunch and I blend the hair with the curly wig. So I just play with it. I manipulate the shape of the hair a little bit because remember, my hair isn't wet. I did this on blow dried hair. So me manipulating it and stretching it and getting the shape of the half wig is better this way than if you were to wet your hair or use a water-based gel because your hair will revert too much, guys. And I was feeling myself, y'all, because I knew that this was going to come out so cute. So then I went ahead and fluffed my hair because we are working with day one hair and we want to get it as voluminous as possible. And these were my results, y'all. This hair literally owes me nothing. Betterlength, you did that. And as I'm experimenting more with half wigs, I'm starting to like the lesser density because it's not too much for me to do. It's way more convenient and I get it done way faster and the curls just give. In the summertime, I know I don't want a bunch of hair down my back, so y'all need to get this wig. Save $5 on any natural texture wig with Betterlength by using my code AMBER313. And if you like this wig as much as I did, besties, click the link in the description box and get yours. You will not regret this. See you in the next video. Bye.